Kericho County nebo Kericho County Assembly noton betutab raini nekaimuch kosirse MCS chebo County Assembly nebo Kericho en kibagenge motion nebo keisto en boisiet sirindet nebo County nebo Kericho Dr. Wesley Bor. Koyonchin MCS choton kole kobut ng'atutik chebo County Government Act. Dr. Bor lekayach kobir kura MCS choton koisto ine. Koimonge MCS chetito artam akobir kura akopitishan keisto en boisiet Dr. Bor nekamwa kole maimuch ine kasit kou ole aroru ng'atutiet nebo emoni nebo kandoinatet nebo Integrity Act 2012. Kaindochi motion inoton MCA Paul B nebo Kapsouth ole kamwa ine kole tesetai koyoe chikilisiet motwet nebo Public Prosecution ak Criminal Investigation akobo Dr. Wesley Bor asikekon report kotinygei ak noton. Kimwaitoen Dr. Bor kele kikon logoiwek chema ititoyotin akobo chebo lembechek kotinygei ak nyasutietab oret nekibiten komasta nebo Londiani ne agoi nguni kotestai chikilisiet kotinygei ak betet nebo rabinik cheitito million 14.5 chekikakiyum asikikochi ichek chekitinygei ak nyasutyonoton ole kimwaitoen alak en kiboitinik chebo county inoton kele kiboisien rabisiek choton. Kikilewen Dr. Wesley Bor koek nebo ng'echeret en committee nekikakiyum chepkondok chekinyolu kikochi biik chekinyor nyasutiet nebo oret.
Motion before the House is supported by at least 1/3 of the members of the County Assembly, even those who are present and the membership of the Assembly. Now that all the members, honorable members who wanted to contribute to this motion have done so, I will now rise to put the question. Which is that this House approves the motion as moved by Honorable Paul B. regarding the removal of Dr. Wesley K. Bor as Kericho County Secretary and authorize the County Assembly to thereafter form a select committee to investigate on the said allegations as per Section 40, subsection 2 of the County Government Act. Will as many as of a similar opinion say aye? Will as many of the opinion say nay? Will as many of contrary opinion say nay? And the ayes have it. And the ayes have it.
We need to have, oversight in this county. There are a lot of problems. Get back when this man was recruited, Honorable Speaker. The advert, and I want you to check out the qualifications of what he was required to bring to the panel. As we speak today, there are some documents missing which he forged. This is something that I'll ask the panel, that the team that will move forward to look into. This man has cheated his way to be the county secretary. That is why, as I stand here, I don't have confidence in him.